Okay, so here's the story. I've been given those two earbuds. Now you see only one earbud. Those two earbuds and a charger. I tried to record it with the macro lens, but it was horribly out of focus and it was so chaotic, so I'm doing a second take on this. Just so you know. Right, this is an earbud. I'm using gloves because, to be really honest, when touching something that was in someone's orifice, like ear canal, I want to use gloves. Okay, here's the model. I will show you the oh, there is no model? No, yeah, there is model T001. I will show you in a moment. Will I? Yeah, I will. Or maybe I will just take a picture and show you a picture. Alright, so you saw a picture. I've been also told they are called FreeBuds for eye or something like that. Well, I want to take a look inside and this time record it in a way that will actually allow you to see something. Alright, so first things first, I will use those. It's already getting out of focus. Great. I will use those pliers to just try to destructively open it. Okay, I already see you cannot see much, so you know what, I will pause and show you when I open it. First part has been opened. This most probably is part of something like in-ear sensor or something like that. This is the part where the microphone goes, which is on the board that I will show you in a moment. And well, for this part, that's it. Now the board, or the part with the board, and I will have to focus it in some smart way. One moment, please. And this is how the board looks like, at least on this stage. This is a Bluetooth SoC. I will show you a marking in a moment. The microphone most probably is under the other side. It's here, under this hole. This is some quartz resonator. This is a part of the ribbon cable I just destroyed, and this is some plastic piece that I will remove in a moment. So let's first remove this sticker. Okay, the sticker has been removed. So the sticker has been removed. This is the Bluetooth SoC, Bluetooth audio SoC, something like that. I will show you a fragment of the datasheet in a moment. See how shallow is the depth of field. I'm just moving it a tiny fraction. That's why the previous video failed. Okay, so let's disassemble it further. Okay, here are some two connectors. This one was the one that I destroyed by opening it, so let's just discard it. Oh, there's some more cable here, so this is something like that. We'll see where it goes in a moment. And this is another connector, probably for the battery and speaker. We will also see in a moment. So now let's remove the board and see what's on the other side of the board. Alright, just a quick look at the board. I don't know what is this. I will try to remove it in a moment. This looks like a crystal resonator maybe. This is some coil, some SMD components. Let's move further. This was the in-ear, come on, focus. This was an in-ear sensor. I will show it to you. No, you can, well, you can see, but it's upside down. So let's grab it this way. Now you cannot see anything. Great. This video starts to be as horrible as that previous one. No, it wasn't upside down. Okay, so the video will be as chaotic as the previous one. Time is the microphone, I think. Yeah, now you can see the marking on this in-ear sensor chip. It's this one. I will show you a datasheet in a moment. And by the way, I told you this is a crystal resonator, right? I lied. This is a microphone. Yeah. This is probably a microphone, yeah. And this was one of the pogo pins that went to the charger. So this is the microphone. This is so tiny, right? Is this the microphone? Yeah. Yeah, this was the microphone, exactly. This is the other side, and this is the other side. This is the microphone. Okay, so let's see what's under this plastic something. And by the way, I told you this is something for an in-ear sensor, right? This part. Obviously, I think I'm wrong. This is probably Bluetooth antenna, maybe. Well, the Bluetooth antenna has to be somewhere, so maybe it's this part. And well, there was nothing interesting under this cover, but maybe this was the antenna, because well, this track actually looks maybe like a transmission line. I'm not sure. So maybe this plastic something was the antenna. Just maybe. I don't know, where is it? I dropped it somewhere here. Okay, I won't find it. No, it's here. Yeah, I know that I say here and you cannot see anything, but it's just a plastic part. There's nothing here, or at least nothing I can see. So, go figure. I know you enjoy the sound. I know, it's not me. Actually, this is pretty interesting because there are some holes here, right? And this part, this strange plastic part, was just here. So is it some kind of microphone, or maybe a microphone for noise reduction? I really have no idea, and I don't want to guess. Maybe there's some LEDs here. No, I don't know. Alright, so let's see what's in this part. When I disassembled a previous earbud, there was a battery here and a speaker. So let's get inside and see it. And to do it, I will just use this Dremel out of focus tool. Yeah. Now it's in focus, maybe. Yeah. Okay. If it explodes, at least it will be on video. Where's my foot switch now? close enough because I don't want to damage the battery. Right, so let's try to open it now by more convenient means. What is this? I don't know this hole. Is it the noise cancelling microphone hole? Or some bass reflex? No, I don't know. But maybe if we are lucky and if I don't destroy it completely, maybe we'll have the luxury to see. Can you see it? I don't know. Maybe I should put the camera back a little bit. Yeah, I will do it. And because then depth of field increases, so there's a higher chance. There's a higher chance you will see anything. You will see something. Okay, you know what? Maybe I'll just open it and then unpause. Okay, here's something interesting. This is the plastic part. But what is this? Another antenna? No, I have no idea. But well, let's discard this plastic and focus on this. So we have a speaker here. The battery is below the speaker. So let's... Okay, you know what? I will open the speaker first and show you the membrane and stuff. But well, I should put something there to open it. Maybe I will just do it brute force way. Maybe not. Yeah, okay. So this is the membrane. The magnet is in here. Focus, please. This is the membrane. Yeah. Some magnet wire, a magnet, and that's all. It's really simple. So let's remove the speaker and get to the battery. Alright, so here's the battery with some wires. Let's open it. We will see. Yeah, I will make a close-up. Okay, from interesting things, there is some chip here. It's so tiny, so small. You probably cannot see the marking, neither do I. So maybe let's put it closer. Not too close. MU6L2V. And there is a connector here, tiny little connector. Well, most probably to the battery. Let's try to disconnect the connector. But it's all in some resin, some glue, some, I don't know, something strange. Can I do it? Well, I know I will destroy it, of course. Oh, no, I destroyed the flex cable. No, I didn't yet. But I was close. So maybe let's just... Okay, let's just cut it. Will it explode now? No, it doesn't explode yet. And you cannot see anything yet. There's some marking here. Huawei something. HB11, CR12 something. It's already damaged, I think. I don't know. Well, the battery contacts are here, the plus and minus. We can measure it, but last one I measured was 4.1 volts, so it's a lithium ion battery or lithium ion polymer battery, I don't know. But I'm still intrigued by this chip. Well, maybe it's just some battery protection or something completely unrelated. I have no idea. Oh, and there's something here, so maybe we can remove this glue as well. Alright, it gets interesting. Battery has been freed, of course. I'm doing it upside down. 3266 AXLB1 something plus some QR code. Maybe you can scan it and tell me what's there on the other side. Something like this. and battery contacts are actually here. So we can, and this Huawei something text, HB11, something damaged, I don't know. Okay, so let's measure the battery now. Well, I could just change the lens, but you can see the voltage, and now I connect plus to the plus, minus to the minus, and what can we see? Oh, interesting. The other headset had 3485. It had 4.1 volts, 4.2 volts, but maybe I shorted the battery when disassembling it, and that's why. Yeah, it's here, and that's why the voltage dropped. Right, that's it, I think. I will see those shots from the charger, and I will either post them here or in a new video or not at all. I will see how they look like. And anyway, thanks for watching.